Alright, man. Here's something from the early 80s. Might interest some of y'all. Got an 81, I believe. Buick Riviera. And she's beat the crap. Yeah. See that rust on there forming on the back window there. Looks like it had a top at one point. I think, yeah. But yeah, man. Front wheel drive. Which I don't like. But tail light's busted. Oklahoma Masons. Back bumper looks good. She looks pretty straight though. That decklet don't look bad either. Yeah. Does look pretty straight. Well. Looks like we got a scratched it off there. It's like 5. It says 5.0 there. 5.0 liter. So 307 olds. Damn thing's got a. This wasn't the original engine that came in this car. At least not what from what I saw there on the van. If these things weren't beat up that bad, man, I consider taking these valve covers. It's got a little dent on it right there. But if you notice, man, it looks like these heads may have been rebuilt, man. They're 5A though. They're nothing special. It's like was a new water pump. Yeah. I don't know what the deal with this one was. You know, got a tag on it. This was just sitting there. Coming home with me. Any other tools laying around here? See that, but I don't need that. Nothing else. No other tool. May have fell down there into oblivion. No, I don't see nothing. As far as on the inside, can't really see that there. Oh, let me get you can see the VIN decently on this one. I believe this one had a diesel 350 Olds diesel. Interior, look at that, man. I was just trying to get. I bet these are in good shape. I should try to get these here too, man. I bet these would I wonder. They should interchange with the Caprice. I'm thinking. At least this part right here. Got them on both sides. Dash, the top of the dash is cracked. Got the tilt going on. It does have a key in it. What's that? That mileage. Crap. Well, there goes the tilt. Riviera by Buick. And that's a tiny deal. Look at that. It's heavy. Thought I saw the owner's manual down here. 81 Riviera. Now I wonder if these seats. Oh, here's a breather for those valve covers, at least for one of them. I wonder if these seats would work on a Caprice. I wonder. Probably wouldn't be a dead, you know, direct bolt in, but pretty neat to have buckets, you know. Yeah. The back seats ain't in bad shape. Dirty, but they don't look to be in bad shape. Headliner's actually dirty, but not in bad shape either. So yeah, I get these. I'll look real quick on the other side. I can't open the deck lid. Can't get in the trunk. Don't have that key. But yeah, hanging there. Now there it is. All right. See if we can get a look at it from this side. How's that front end look? That bumper doesn't look to be in bad shape. Bezels neither. I don't think that the grill doesn't look to be busted. This fender's tweaked. Got damage up there on the roof. There it is, man. Just thought I'd get a quick one on this one here, you know. Thought it was neat, freaking engine there, you know, rebuild heads and chrome valve covers and stuff. So, all right, man. I think that's gonna do it on this one.